Loose skin, large pores, dull face. This DIY firming mask can make your skin feel tighter, smoother, and deeply hydrate after just one use. This powerful 3-ingredient skincare combo help detox pores, calm inflammation, deeply moisturize the skin, and reduce the look of tired, aging skin. Here's what you need. Aloe vera, soothe irritated skin and give a refreshing hydration. 1 tablespoon. Then, flaxseed powder help tighten and firm the skin while making pores look smoother. 1 tablespoon. Almond oil, rich in nutrients that deeply moisturize and help soften fine lines. 1 teaspoon. Mix everything together until it becomes a smooth, creamy mass. The texture should feel sticky but easy to spread. This DIY must help detox pores, deeply hydrate skin, tighten and firm the face, soothe redness and irritation, fight sign of aging naturally. Apply evenly on skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. As it dries, you feel the tightening effect working on your skin. Then, rinse with lukewarm water for soft, fresh, and glowing skin. Try this DIY glow mask tonight and wake up with smoother looking skin. Don't forget to patch test before using DIY skincare.